welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Layton's getting the mail.
It's for you.
Oh, thank you. You can just leave it on the freezer. And her and I are off to a birthday party, and then her and I are going to pick up our groceries. So I figured I would share our grocery haul and our meal plan with you. Buckle up, baby cakes, when we get back. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.
There we go.
There we go. All right, so we are here at, you can only see half the sign, but at Walmart to pick up our groceries. We left the birthday party. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was so much fun. So when we get home, I will share a grocery haul and our meal plan. Show them what you won.
Butterfly.
A butterfly. I bought so many things that I typically don't buy. I haven't bought snacks or like junk food-ish stuff, if you will, for the kids in so long. So when I let them pick yesterday, I was like, oh, they wanted Pop-Tarts and all these different things. So, like I said, they pick some things and that we typically do not buy, but I let them pick some treats. So it is no fun to be a kid unless you get yummy treats. Layton, look. And the Super Bowl is tomorrow, so I got lots of stuff for like Super Bowl treats. But Super Bowl's tomorrow, like actual Super Bowl, like the NFL, not like Austin Super Bowl. Okay, I gotta do my grocery haul. So starting with all of the produce, I got a thing of romaine lettuce, 2 bags of carrots, 2 English cucumbers, a big bag of green grapes, some Granny Smith apples, bananas, 2 pounds of strawberries, and to preface, I have only been grocery shopping at like Trader Joe's and places like that the last few weeks to get a few things, so my kids and husband complained that it wasn't like actual stuff. I love you too. From the actual grocery store, so we needed lots of snacks. I've been making the kids waffles pretty much every morning. I make a bunch of them and freeze them, so I got some more of the protein Kodiak cake waffle mix. This was one of the things the kids decided to pick, and I had them get these little ones so that way they can have it as a snack and not for breakfast, because it does not start your day off well having Pop-Tarts for breakfast. Austin wanted these Oreo yogurts. Layton wanted the M&M ones. We got to these other yogurts for Kevin. Some Go-Gurts just for the snack drawer because they had all the ones are all done from Trader Joe's. Layton also picked these chewy dip bars. She's the only one. Austin used to love these and now he doesn't like them anymore. So, but she said she will have those.
Yeah,
We needed popcorn, applesauce, got a couple things of taco seasoning, some eggs, some taco sauce, some more yogurt because Layton lives on yogurt, some French onion dip for the Super Bowl tomorrow and just to have for like a snack with carrots and chips and cucumbers. And we have some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna make some breakfast bowls, so I have this diced hash brown potatoes, some of these Yasso coffee chocolate chip. I used to get these all the time and they are so good. I can only find them at Walmart. Some garlic bread to go with dinner one night this week, some Cheez-Its, broccoli, Fig Newtons. Kevin and the kids both love Fig Newtons because they're 90. I got some of these chips. I don't typically buy all these, especially like in the little small bags, but it was, I think, like it was on sale at Walmart, so I think I only paid like $10 for this whole thing of chips, so I got those. We all picked some Smart Food, so we got 2 bags of that. Some Ruffles to go with our dips for the weekend. Also some Tostitos, some orange juice, my favorite coffee. We put some bags on the stove and the stove was hot, so that's what that is. I got some cheese just to make with sandwiches for the week. Again, to go with the ham. We needed some butter. I got some of this to put in my coffee. There's think 25 grams of protein, no added sugar. I've been trying to get more protein in, so I got those to try to add to my coffee, and I have these just as like a quick, I usually make my own. I have like the big container of it up there, but just to have some in the fridge pre-made ready to go if I need it, just quick to grab. And then for meat for the week, we got some chicken breasts, some chicken tenderloins, burgers, and for my sandwiches for the week, this white 6 net carb bread, and I think it's 45 calories a slice and 5 grams of protein for 2 slices. And then this for everyone else.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide.
So for this week, we're gonna have burgers, baked chicken, tacos, chicken broccoli ziti, breakfast for dinner, leftovers, and then we will do takeout for one night. So that is it for this grocery haul, restocking, and meal plan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.